I'm scared of dating because what if it works out and I'll never be fucking single again? Think about it. I come home to my empty apartment and hang out with my cat. Shit is great. You're telling me I want to fuck that piece up for you? Don't get me wrong, some people are worth it. Some people are more than worth it. They elevate your life and make your life better. But then there are people out there who do nothing but destroy your fucking peace. I don't know if I'm willing to put my peace in your hands. I'm not a gambling man. I don't have to listen to nobody's shit. I don't have to share a bed. I get to watch whatever the fuck I want. I could put the thermostat on whatever number it needs to be on. You're out here getting upset because I took a nap for too long. Like, what are we doing, right? Like, it'd be cool to fall in love. It'd be great. But it's also great being single. I think I've been single for a little bit too long. This shit's getting a little bit too comfortable. I think I'm about to just take myself out of the dating market. No more apps, no more going out. It's me and my cat.